Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete transfer history on TapTap Send. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the TapTap Send app. It is important to understand that inside the TapTap Send app there is currently no direct option that allows users to delete their transfer history by themselves. Because of this, the only way to request deletion of your transfer history is by contacting TapTap Send support. To begin the process, look at the top left corner of the app screen. You will see a three-line menu icon. Tap on this icon to open the main menu of the application. After tapping the menu icon, a list of different options will appear on the screen. Scroll through these options and find the section labeled Support. Tap on Support to open the Help and Assistance area of the app. Inside the Support section, continue scrolling until you see the Contact Us option. Tap on Contact Us to view the available ways to reach the TapTap Send support team. Here you will usually see two contact options. The first option is to call TapTap Send using the phone number provided in the app. If you choose this option, dial the number and speak with a support representative. The second option is to send an email request. Tap the email option and write a short message explaining that you want to delete your transfer history. After your request is submitted, the support team will review it and process the deletion of your transfer history. Thanks for watching.